Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power to the HVAC at the breaker to avoid shorts. This protects the unit and you. Once done, remove the nest by twisting and pulling, then label each wire with tape so reassembly is exact. Make sure your phone has the Google Home app and your Wi-Fi password ready because you'll need them for setup. Check the backplate for bent pins and confirm whether a C wire exists. If missing, make decisions about a power adapter or C wire installation next. You now map the labeled wires to the Nest terminals, matching RH/RC, W1, Y1, G, and C exactly. Incorrect mapping causes system errors. If you lack a C wire, install the Nest power connector or a common adapter. These provide the steady 24 volts Nest needs. Use a multimeter to verify 24V between R and C when power is restored. Once wired, tighten terminal screws, tuck excess wire, snap the thermostat onto the backplate, and then flip the breaker so the Nest boots and begins its setup checks. You finish by completing the Nest on-screen setup, connect to Wi-Fi, select your HVAC system type, and run the built-in equipment test so heat, cool, and fan cycles run. After testing, calibrate the temperature and program schedules to confirm comfort and efficiency. Make sure the fan and compressor engage properly. If they do not, recheck wiring and settings in the Google Home app. If issues persist, reboot the thermostat, attempt a factory reset, and only then contact a qualified HVAC technician for electrical or compressor faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.